Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the best 3D printers in 2023. If you're thinking about getting into 3D printing, this is the video for you. I'll be covering a variety of printers, from budget-friendly options to high-end machines. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, I've got you covered. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, number 5, the Anycubic Photon Mono M5's 12K Resin 3D printer is a high-end resin printer that offers a number of features that make it a good choice for both beginners and experienced users. Some of the key features of the Photon Mono M5s include a 12K monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 11520 x 5120, which provides excellent print quality with fine details. A leveling-free build plate that eliminates the need for manual leveling, making it easier to get started printing. A 3x faster printing speed than previous models, thanks to the use of high-speed resin. A large printing size of 7.87 x 8.58 x 4.84 inches HWD. The Photon Mono M5s is also compatible with a wide range of resins, so you can find the right resin for your specific needs. Overall, the Anycubic Photon Mono M5's 12K Resin 3D printer is a powerful and versatile printer that offers a great combination of features and performance. If you're looking for a high-end resin printer that can produce high-quality prints, the Photon Mono M5s is a great option. Here are some additional pros and cons of the Anycubic Photon Mono M5's 12K Resin 3D printer. Pros: excellent print quality with fine details, leveling-free build plate, 3x faster printing speed, large printing size compatible with a wide range of resins. Con. Number 4, the Mingda Magician X2 is a high-quality 3D printer that offers a number of features that make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. Some of its key features include: 1. Touch Smart Auto Leveling. The Magician X2 features a self-developed smart auto leveling function that can automatically adjust the hotbed using a matrix 16-point measurement method. This saves you the time and hassle of manually leveling the bed and ensures that your prints are always accurate. Large build volume. The Magician X2 has a large build volume of 230 x 230 x 260 millimeters, which allows you to print large and complex models. Fast printing speeds. The Magician X2 can print at speeds of up to 180 millimeters per second, which means that you can get your prints done quickly. Quiet operation. The Magician X2 is equipped with TMC silent stepper drivers, which make it very quiet during operation. This is great if you want to print in a shared space or at night. Wide range of compatibility. The Magician X2 is compatible with a wide range of printing materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and more. This gives you the flexibility to print a variety of different models. Overall, the Mingda Magician X2 is a great 3D printer that offers a number of features that make it a good choice for both beginners and experienced users. If you're looking for a high-quality 3D printer that is easy to use and produces accurate prints, then the Magician X2 is a great option. Here are some additional details about the Mingda Magician X2. Mainboard. The Magician X2 is equipped with a self-developed mainboard that offers 50% faster responsiveness. Its modular design allows for future upgrades and component replacements, ensuring your 3D printer stays up to date with the latest technology. Extruder. The Magician X2 comes with a direct drive extruder, which means that the extruder is mounted directly to the hot end. This helps to improve print quality and reduce stringing. Bed. The Magician X2 has a pay-coated spring steel bed. Number 3, the Anycubic Cobra Max is a large-format 3D printer that offers a number of features that make it a good choice for both beginners and experienced users. Large build volume. The Cobra Max has a build volume of 400 x 400 x 450 millimeters, which is one of the largest in its class. This means that you can print large objects without having to split them up into smaller parts. Auto bed leveling. The Cobra Max comes with Anycubic's Levic automatic bed leveling system. This system uses 25 points to level the bed, ensuring that your prints are always accurate. Stronger construction. The Cobra Max is made with a sturdy metal frame that helps to reduce vibration and improve print quality. High air precision. The Cobra Max uses a volcano-style hot end that can reach temperatures of up to 260 degrees centigrade. This allows you to print with a wider range of materials, including high-temperature filaments, such as ABS and PETG. Filament runout detection. The Cobra Max has a filament runout sensor that will pause your print if the filament runs out. This prevents your print from becoming ruined. Easy to use. The Cobra Max is easy to set up and use even for beginners. The printer comes with a user-friendly touchscreen interface that makes it easy to navigate the menus and start printing. Overall, the Anycubic Cobra Max is a great choice for users who are looking for a large format 3D printer with a number of features that make it easy to use and produce high-quality prints. Here are some additional details about the Anycubic Cobra Max. Filament compatibility. The Cobra Max can print with a variety of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU. Maximum print speed: 180 mm per second. Layer resolution: 0.05 0.4 mm. Touchscreen: 4.3-inch color touchscreen build plate. Carborundum glass software. Anycubic Cora. The Anycubic Cobra Max. Number 2. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro is a FDM 3D printer that is designed for beginners and hobbyists. It has a number of features that make it easy to use and produce high-quality prints, including auto bed leveling. This feature automatically levels the print bed, so you don't have to do it manually. This can help to improve the quality of your prints and reduce the amount of time you spend troubleshooting. Dual gear direct extruder. This type of extruder is more reliable and consistent than a single gear extruder. It also allows you to use a wider range of filaments, including flexible filaments like TPU. Dual lead screw drive. This feature helps to keep the print bed stable and prevent it from wobbling, which can lead to errors in your prints. Removable capacitive screen. This screen is easy to use and makes it easy to navigate the printer's menus. It can also be removed for easy cleaning. Large printing size. The Neptune 3 Pro has a printing size of 225 x 225 x 280 mm, which is large enough for most projects. The Neptune 3 Pro is also a very quiet printer, thanks to its silent stepper motors. This makes it a good choice for users who want to print in a quiet environment. Overall, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro is a great choice for beginners and hobbyists who are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use 3D printer. It has a number of features that make it a good value for the price, and it can produce high-quality prints. Here are some of the filaments that the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro can use. PLA, polylactic acid, PETG, polyethylene terephthalate glycol, ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, TPU, thermoplastic polyurethane. The Neptune 3 Pro does not. Number 1. The AnchorMake M5 is a high-speed 3D printer that is capable of printing at speeds of up to 500 mm per second. It is a great option for both beginners and experienced users, as it is easy to use and produces high-quality prints. Here are some of the key features of the AnchorMake M5. Fast printing speeds. The AnchorMake M5 can print at speeds of up to 500 mm per second, which is significantly faster than most other 3D printers on the market. This means that you can print your projects much faster without sacrificing quality. Smooth detail. The AnchorMake M5 is capable of printing smooth, detailed prints. This is thanks to its ultra-direct extruder and integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure. Easy to use. The AnchorMake M5 is easy to use even for beginners. It comes with a pre-assembled build plate and a comprehensive user guide. Error detection. The AnchorMake M5 has a built-in AI camera that can detect errors in your prints. This helps to ensure that your prints are successful. Auto leveling. The AnchorMake M5 has a built-in auto leveling system that ensures that your prints are always level. This makes it easy to get started with 3D printing, even if you don't have any experience. Overall, The AnchorMake M5 is a great option for anyone looking for a high-speed, easy-to-use 3D printer that produces high-quality prints. Here are some additional details about the AnchorMake M5. Power consumption: 350 watts. Print volume: 235 x 235 x 250 cubic millimeters. Build plate: 235 x 235 millimeters. Extruder: ultra direct extruder. Filament type: PLA ABS PETG. TPU software. AnchorMake slicer price: $700.